Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Correct answer is option D, Jupiter. In which year the aeroplane flown for the first time in India? Correct answer is option C, 1895. Which ruler built the India's longest road, Grand Trunk Road? Correct answer is option A, Sher Shah Suri. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India? Correct answer is option C, Teji Thomas. Where was the first metro rail service introduced in India? Correct answer is option B, Kolkata. When was the first passenger train ran in India? Correct answer is option A, 1853. Which is the most hottest state in India? Correct answer is option D, Rajasthan. Where was the electronic voting machine first used in India? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Which state is the largest producer of silver? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan.